Hello, I'm Dr. Stephen Cain. I'm one of the chiropractors here at Total Health Systems in St Clair Shores. We're located on Harper between 12 and 13 Mile. I'm going to take you on a tour through our office and introduce you to our personnel as well as the services that we offer. Come on in. To the right here, we have our restrooms. To the left, we have our relaxation room. We have our water jet table here, and we have our roller table here, which our massage therapist Joan is using. They're both wonderful at helping to relax the muscles in your body. They're complementary, so anytime you want to hop on one, just let us know, and we'll get you set up before or after one of your appointments. Over here, we have our physical therapy room, and we'll go ahead and introduce you to our physical therapists.
Hi everyone, my name is Jay Ash and I'm a licensed physical therapist assistant here at Total Health Systems. I'm also a licensed massage therapist as well, so really with our physical therapy sessions you might see some massage therapy techniques incorporated, but that doesn't mean that we're not going to exercise you good. So that means we can do lots of balance, we can do lots of strength training, range of motion, we can stretch you out, we can really do anything that we can in our power to really help you meet your needs here at Total Health Systems. So whatever that is, I am happy to help you out with all of your problems, your aches, pains, and sprains. Come see us here at Total Health Systems, and we are glad to help.
My name is Mike Siska. I'm a physical therapist here at Total Health Systems. I've been doing physical therapy for over 17 years, and I've worked for Total Health Systems since 2014. One of my favorite parts of being a physical therapist is just getting people back to their functional level, doing the things they need to do throughout the day, and also things they want to do throughout the day, recreational activities, extracurriculars, and things like that.
Now I'll go ahead and show you our medical office over here and introduce you to one of our physician's assistants.
Hi, my name is Joe. I'm a physician's assistant here at Total Health Systems. Physician's assistants are here to help our patients with our medical services, including primary care. We also help write scripts for our other services that we offer here, including massage therapy and physical therapy.
All right, now we'll take you over to the other side of the office here. Right here, we've got warm and cold water, tea, coffee. Help yourself anytime you'd like. This is where our front office assistants work. Anytime you have any questions, just give us a call. They're more than happy to help out. Come on here. This is my office here where I practice. As mentioned, I'm Dr. Cain. I've been practicing chiropractic for about 8 years now. I love the nervous system. I had our neuropathy program here in St. Clair Shores, and I also love working with challenging cases, people that maybe really put my mind into figuring out what needs to be done to get them better, and then once that happens and seeing them get better in the end, I love that. And I love seeing people just in general get better and feel better. All right, next up, over here. This is where our female chiropractor, Dr. Pinson, practices. And over here, we have our massage therapy room. Go ahead and introduce you to our massage therapists.
Hi, my name is Dina Forn. I'm a massage therapist and manager of the massage department. I've been practicing massage since 1989 and employed with Total Health Systems since 1995. Depending on what you come in for is how I would treat, each person as an individual with what they need treated, and I would do various techniques to alleviate you from your pain.
Hi, I'm Joni Arrington with Total Health Systems. I'm one of 3 massage therapists located at the St. Clair Shores office. I've been doing massage therapy for about 10 years now, and my specialties are deep tissue, detox massage, foot massage, pregnancy massage, lymphatic massage, and relaxation massage. We hope to see you here soon. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Philip Reese. I am a licensed massage therapist here at Total Health Systems. I've been in the industry for about 10 years, 7 of which I taught massage. My specialties are sports, deep tissue, trigger point therapy, and myofascial release. But I'm pretty abreast with all modalities. Come and see me here at Total Health Systems.
All right, and last up we have our x-ray room. Come on over. All right, so if you do need to have x-rays taken, we have digital equipment, meaning we can instantaneously have it sent over to our computers and show them with you the day of what your x-rays look like. Thank you for joining me on the tour here. We are a wonderfully harmonized team, and our multifaceted approach allows us to help with many different health issues. So whatever aches, pains, or health concerns that you have, give us a call, 586-772-8560, and we'd love the opportunity to help you out.